Hello and welcome to Cooking with Niecy. Today we have a potato and some broccoli. So we're going to be cooking up potato broccoli cheese balls. Don't you go away. They're going to be great. Broccoli cheese balls. So I used to work at a Cajun restaurant and they made these and they were fantastic. And I gained about 10 pounds because they were fantastic. So I said, well, why not try this at home? So here are the ingredients that you're going to need. 1 large potato, half a cup of cheddar to a cup, a 1/4 cup Parmesan, a half a cup of onion, a half a cup of broccoli, a squirt or 2 of garlic or use 2 fresh cloves, salt and pepper, red pepper, breadcrumbs, a half a cup of flour, 1 to 2 eggs, and something to fry that in, and of course you'll need some bacon. Just boil that potato until it's soft and then cut it up and then mash it up a little bit. And we'll go ahead and get all these ingredients in here. We got a little broccoli, Parmesan, and of course cheddar. Get extra sharp if you can, it makes it really tangy. And onion, a bunch of that. And these are the spices, salt, pepper, and I forgot to mention earlier the Cajun spice. That's kind of what the cheese balls are Cajun, so don't forget to add that. And you can change up your spices as you like, whatever you want. So bacon and that garlic goes in there. Shoot, I'm gonna put the rest of these onions. Why not? And then I'm gonna crack an egg and get this mixed up. And go ahead and scramble that on the side there. And incorporate that. And as you're doing this, if it's too wet or too dry, you can kind of change that up a little bit with extra breadcrumbs, or you can put another egg if you need to. Just depends on your potato size and how it all goes together. So there we are. It doesn't take long. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and make these into little balls and then do an egg wash, and then we'll dip those in the egg wash and flour. And I've got the fryer all heated up, so it's not gonna take long. And you probably know how to make a cheese ball. Just round it out, just like that. So we're gonna get that dipped in the flour, and we'll see you over at the fryer. So all you gotta do is roll these into a ball, and you can dip it in an egg wash if you like. If you don't, then don't. These are panko breadcrumbs, and they are super, super crunchy. So when they get cooked up, they are wonderful. And then I've got this is buckwheat flour. Of course, you can use white flour if you like, or almond flour, coconut, whatever. Whatever you prefer, you go ahead and do that. Like I say, change it till you like it. You throw some mushrooms in there. But shoot, who needs all that with some bacon and onion? Cajun, man, it's all good. So I'm going to continue to fix these and get these in the fryer, and we'll see you back in a minute. Oh, there we are. Just let those drain a little bit. Let's see how golden brown they come out, and those panko breadcrumbs are so crunchy. So we'll pour that out there. And while those are sitting for just a second, I'll tell you about a sauce that went with these at the restaurant, and we called it horsey sauce, but all it is a bit of mayonnaise and horseradish, and it just adds an extra bite to these cheese balls, and it's so delicious. So I'm gonna let this cool for just a second, and we'll be back to taste them. So there you have it, potato broccoli cheese balls. Throw in some bacon, add some horsey sauce, and a little bit of zucchini for garnish, and it's really, really good. So I wanted to tell you really quickly about a charity in Mayodan, North Carolina. It's called Lot 2540. It's a food mission and salvage store, and they feed tons of people every year. So if you're looking to donate, please consider them. We'll leave all the information in the description below. So please check them out and try these cheese balls. They are really good. And like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time on Cooking with Niecy. Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Niecy, and today we got a potato and some broccoli. We're gonna cook up some, sorry. And this is, oops, that's the wrong one. Can I start that part over? Why did you start? Broccoli cheese balls. Not a whole lot.
Move to your left a little bit.
Not a whole lot of ingredients.
Move to your right just a half step. Whoop, right
There.
there.